Hi everyone, my name is Andre and this is my daughter Anna. Today she asked me if I could help her with something. So what seems to be the problem, Anna?
I have this wonderful Dyson vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
It was very expensive,
Yeah.
but every time I use it now, it smells so bad. And I clean it after every use and I don't know what to do because I try to keep it clean, but I can't seem to get rid of the smell.
Yeah, that's a real problem. And the problem is that this Dyson machine, it's awesome, but it has some parts inside that are not easy to clean. If you want to clean them, you need to take it apart completely, which is not always possible. And those parts collect small particles of dust and germs that are not only smell bad, but they might be dangerous for your health. It's like especially if you're allergic. So what do you do?
Well, I think you know what to do.
Right. I have a couple of that life hacks that we can use to clean your Dyson. It will smell good and it will be less dangerous for your health. So let's go to the garage and let's sort it out. Okay, so let's take your Dyson and give it a good clean. We will need some equipment. So first of all, we will need a 50-cent coin. We will need multi-purpose wipes that kill 99.9% of germs. Yeah, this one. You can get it from the supermarket. You will need a dry cloth like this one. And then our secret sauce, Glen 20, all in one. So it kills viruses, germs, bacteria, and also it gives that nice smell that we want from the Dyson. So first off, let's take the brush off. We want to clean it. You need to remove this brush inside. For that you take your 50-cent coin, put it here and do this. You take your wipe. It's not a dry wipe, it contains something to kill germs. It's a bit wet, so just clean this one. And then you want to clean it inside. It's not that easy to access because of this motor. You can't easily remove it, at least I didn't find out how to do that. So just put your cloth under and do it a good clean from the inside. Also, you might give it a clean inside this tube, and everywhere where you see dust, you should give it a clean. And now you want to use a dry cloth to dry these parts. So this part inside is not easily accessible, but you can put your cloth under and give it a bit of a clean as well. So sometimes it collects so much dust that you need to repeat it. Just use another wipe to do that. And you also want to clean it from outside, but I reckon you have done it already, right? Yeah. So our brush is good to go. So you should put this thing back inside. Yeah, and use your coin to lock it in place. So we are done with the brush. Okay, so now we are going to clean the machine. We're not going to clean this tube. I think it's all right. So let's put it away. So first, let's remove this barrel. This is a small button or lever. You press it and then you can take it off. So you want to clean it inside using this wipe. Do it like this. And do you want to try?
Yes.
Yeah, that's easy.
Yes.
And you will also want to clean this part, which sometimes collects some dust as well. Yeah, nice. And now we use our dry cloth to remove the rest of the cleaning agent. Yeah. Now we want to clean the machine itself. So this is the filter that you are supposed to clean. I think maybe not after each vacuuming, but maybe once a week or something. We're not going to do this because I know you cleaned it already, but the idea is that you put it under the tub and clean it with water, and then you let it dry for 24 hours, and then you can use it again. Probably if it's too dusty and smelly, you can order a replacement from Dyson, but this one is okay. So what are we going to do now? We want to take another wipe, and we want to clean some parts of this Dyson that we can clean. So this metal thing, it looks okay, but you can see it is not. So we can clean this part as well, clean these rubber parts, and I would probably clean this part as well. And again, as usually, we take our dry cloth and make it dry. So what happens now? So now there are some parts inside that you cannot clean that easily unless you take it completely apart, which is very hard, and probably you need some professional equipment to do that. So what are we going to do instead? We put our parts back. We put the brush on because there are some parts inside brush that also will benefit from cleaning. And what we are going to do now, we set it into the boost mode, so it sucks much more air. Then we will turn it on, and we will spray our secret sauce in front of the brush. So we keep it 20 centimeters away from the brush and just do it for 3 seconds. Also, it's not an officially recommended way of cleaning your Dyson, so do it at your own risk. So it might damage your Dyson, however, it never happened to us if you do it carefully. So just for 3 seconds, I'm turning the Dyson on, and Anna will spray the Glen 20. 1, 2, 3. And now just let it through with fresh air for 10 seconds. So you can see that it sucked a bit of the Glen inside. I don't think it's a problem. For Dyson it should be fine, but what happens now, this Glen 20 comes through all the hidden parts of the machine, and it hopefully kills germs and kills that smell as well. So now your Dyson is clean and is ready to use. How does it smell now?
It smells so good now.
Does it smell like heaven?
Smells like heaven.
Awesome. Good job.
Thanks.
You're welcome.